Hello all, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to learn about the PC tips that you need to know. Before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And this video is sponsored by T-Vibe Wear the Trend. I'll be providing the link in the description. You can go check out their collection. Now, let's get into the video. So, firstly, do you know that you can cancel the shutdown? If you have accidentally hit on the shutdown button, you can cancel it using the escape key. Are you still removing your text like this, letter by letter? So, instead, you can use this simple trick of just clicking on Control plus backspace to remove each word by word. So, this can be helpful and save your time. And sometimes, when your computer freezes or malfunctions, you can just hit on Control plus Shift plus Windows button plus B, and this could restart your graphic card and also unfreeze your screen. So, go check it out. And if you think that your laptop or PC have some virus, so don't just waste your money on any antivirus. First, just go and hit on the Windows plus R and then enter MRT and say OK. So this will open a computer native antivirus tool. So you can just click on yes and you can let it run, so it will perform all the scans, and then it can scan for the malicious software and it will remove it. So you can just run a quick scan or full scan or customized scan. You can just do that, and that is it. So this is all for today's video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro, and don't forget to hit on the bell icon so that you never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching, guys.